Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good, and let's do the reading of the day. And as I had already mentioned in my few videos, those who want to be a part of the WhatsApp group for daily tips for our upcoming workshops, courses, and also to know readings from time to time can WhatsApp to 63806 So let's see what is there in the readings today for you all. First card, trust. So today, whatever happens, you need to trust that the divine is there and the divine is guiding you, and the divine will not let you down, and whatever happens will happen for good. At the same time, don't give up on things and do what your inner asks you to do. Go with what your inner feel is asking you to do. Rest. I'm sure the divine is going to take care. Let's see what is the next card. So maybe, as I said, if you do this, if you trust in divine, then you will see the truth of a situation. You will be able to understand that what is happening, because when you trust the divine, you are in turn true to yourself, you are honest to yourself, and when you're true and honest to yourself, you are ready to accept the truth, what is even coming from out. Last card is love. So today, give love unconditionally. Maybe sometimes certain situations should not be handled with anger, with frustration, and only with love and pure love. So that is why the cards are talking about love here. So today will be a day of trust for you to see the truth in a situation, and at the same time to accept the situation with love and not with anger, and to spread unconditional love and compassion. So today, the color that you will be wearing will be red, and you can have a bath with rock salt water in the morning, and before starting from your home you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. And today in the evening, when you're coming back, buy something for your family. Anything, it can be right from fruits to some chocolates or cake or something, but buy something and bring it back to your home and have it with your family, so that love spreads, happiness spreads, and you all have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.